Gospel of the day. Matthew chapter 18, verse 12 to 14. You have heard that it was said, "You shall love your neighbor and hate your enemy." But I say to you, love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you, so that you may be sons of your Father who is in heaven, for he makes his sun rise on the evil and on the good, and sends rain on the just and on the unjust. For if you love those who love you, what reward have you? Do not even the tax collectors do the same? And if you salute only your brethren, what more are you doing than others? Do not even the Gentiles do the same? You, therefore, must be perfect, as your heavenly Father is perfect. Explanation. Today's Gospel challenges us with Jesus' words, so be perfect, just as your heavenly Father is perfect. This calls us to love generously, even our enemies, and those who persecute us. It's easy to feel discouraged by such a daunting command, feeling unable to love amidst ongoing hurt. However, we should instead feel grateful. Gratitude comes from understanding that Jesus invites us to share in his perfect life, showing us that such love is possible. It's an honor to be called to love as he loves, embracing all people with his heart. This invitation to divine love should fill our hearts with deep thanks. If you find yourself discouraged, try to see others as God's children, without judgment, especially those who hurt you. Let go of anger and strive to see them with love, fulfilling Jesus' command. Reflect on this call to love and cultivate gratitude. Love all, including those who challenge you, and let God lift you to the perfection He desires for you. Prayer. My most perfect Lord, I thank you for loving me despite my many sins. I thank you for also calling me to share in the depths of your love for others. Give me the eyes to see all people as you see them and to love them as you love them. I do love you, Lord. Help me to love you and others more. Jesus, I trust in you.